Good morning, beautiful people!
From Oaxaca here in Mexico. Oaxaca is a really beautiful, colorful town. It's kind of got sort of like cross between European and Mexican style buildings. It's really pretty. That's a lot of really nice buildings
Very
here.
pretty.
Yeah. And we will be showing you around Oaxaca in our next video, but we're actually taking a day trip today out of Oaxaca City and we're going to Hierve El Agua. It is a calcified waterfall and it is one of only 2 in the entire world. Apparently there's really beautiful thermal pools that we can swim in when we get there, but it is a bit of a mission to get there from here in Oaxaca. So we're going to take you along and show you how to get there as well. Let's go! First we have to make a quick stop at Oxo to top up on coffee because we're leaving very early this morning. It's going to take us a little while to get there, I believe, so this will keep us going.
And mints, because I got a stinky breath.
We made our way up to the main road in Oaxaca City towards the baseball stadium where the collectivos and buses leave for Mitlan, the first destination on your way to Hierve El Agua.
We have arrived at the bus stop to Mitla. It's definitely confirmed because as soon as we walked up, a bunch of locals started talking to us, telling us how to get there and everything. So I think it's pretty common for them to see tourists here. So the option is that you wait here for the bus, which I have no idea when it'll come. We're just going to wait and see. Or you take one of these, they're called collectivos. It's a taxi where you can basically just have communal people in there. You share it with as many people as will fit. That was 40 pesos per person. Apparently they're a bit faster, or we can wait for the bus, which I believe is 15 pesos per person, and it'll probably be a little bit slower because it'll stop along the way. So they're your options. We're gonna wait for the bus and see how it works.
So we can go 9
Okay,
Yeah.
You wanna do that?
I mean, it's $8 or
Yeah.
$7.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna jump in a collectivo. It's gonna be a fun experience. Well, that was a really good ride.
That was really good.
Yeah, it took us 40 minutes to get here and I think it was a lot quicker than what the bus would have been.
I found a peso on the floor.
See?
Okay.
I need to get a snack. Okay, we grabbed a snack. From what I've read online, the road up to Hierve El Agua is not the smoothest ride. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I didn't want to get motion sick. So pretty much as soon as we got dropped off, there's a couple of youths.
Pickup trucks.
Oh, sorry, pickup trucks, youths in Australia, with seats in the back, and that's what we're going to be going up. They just waved us down straight away. They knew obviously where we were going.
Gringos.
Yes, so we're just waiting here for the van to fill up because it won't leave until it's full. They gave us the prices. We'll be paying 75 pesos to get to Hierve El Agua. We also have to pay a 15 pesos, I think it's like a road toll, and then they told us it'll be 50 pesos once we get there to actually enter. So not too bad.
140 per person. Plus 40 for the taxi to get here.
Yeah, and so far it's been so easy.
Yeah, so we've been waiting for half an hour more.
50 minutes.
50 minutes, so we decided to combine tickets.
Ready to go? Okay.
Yeah. Gracias. Alright, we've combined forces and
We're gonna pay a little bit extra, 100 pesos each instead of 75, and leave now rather than
wait.
who knows how long we've been
I
waiting.
mean, we did leave early for purpose. Okay, señor. Okay. Vamos.
I think we could like the front cab, but we just thought let's go be a little bit more adventurous.
Yeah, and also get some fresh air.
It's a pretty bumpy 50-minute ride up a mountain to reach Hierve El Agua. We stopped briefly to pay the road toll and then enjoyed the views for the rest of the ride.
Oh, what an adventure.
I'm hungry now.
Are you?
Didn't think it would be that long. It's okay, let's go have a look.
Yeah, that's so true. We left like 3 hours ago. We left
thought it
our
would be
house.
like a little less than half-day thing.
Yeah, we left our accommodation 3 hours ago. That's crazy. This is beautiful. So we just are walking down. Oh, I just got a first glimpse.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh
This
my
is
god,
like
that's beautiful.
I feel like in this fancy resort, and they have like very boutique hotel, and they have this infinity pool.
It looks so blue. So, unfortunately, I left my bikini in France. So we're going with the sports bar black underwear combo that hopefully passes as a bikini. It's not warm.
Okay, I sort of chicken out for the swim. I will swim eventually.
You're a chicken.
I'm not a chicken. What's... Besides, if you insult me from now on, it's gotta be in Spanish.
El chiquino.
And your observation of the water?
It's quite fresh. This might gross you guys out, but you know, we're always honest on this channel. There's like a film on top of the water, like an oily sort of film. And I'm assuming that's just a build-up of sunscreen and moisturizers and oils that people wear. But
it could be a water feature from the composition of the water. It could be.
I'd like to hope that it's like natural and good for my skin, but it kind of grosses me out just a little. Not so much that it stops me from going in, but yeah, just a little bit. Is not as perfect as Instagram will have you believe it. So we're trying to figure out where do we need to go to hike down, because I'm pretty sure you can. And there's this sign. It doesn't say where the little path leads, but I guess we're gonna find out.
Follow the path to wherever it may take you.
We made it here to the top of this waterfall, and I just did a quick Google search to find out exactly what is a calcified waterfall. And basically, when you have such mineral-rich water, well, basically it's filled with calcium and carbonate, and so as the water trickles down, the calcium and carbonate kind of gets deposited on top of each other and builds up what they call a calcified waterfall. So it looks like a frozen waterfall. So that's why they call it Cascades Petrified. Something along those lines. Basically, petrified waterfall. Because yeah, it just looks like it's kind of frozen or been stunned in time. That's really cool.
Sign.
Oh, let's go over here. Oh, we just are coming down. We walked around a bend and like,
Holy
whoa, that's insane.
And the cacti as well. Yeah.
Oh my, I almost fell over. It shocked me so much. Look at that. I don't even know how to describe it. It's out of this world.
Very impressive.
Well worth the time it took to get out here, like just to see this. Even if there weren't beautiful pools to swim in or other beautiful views, just to see that.
Yeah, I think the pool is a bonus because it's refreshing.
Yeah, the pool's a bonus for sure. This is what you really come for. So make sure if you do come visit here that you do head down this trail and do this hike, because wow.
Yeah, like you want to see a photo of it.
Ah, Mexico. Well done. The further we come down this hike as well, the less and less people that there are. We've seen, I think a lot of people kind of stop at that waterfall there and then go back up, but we've continued on down and it's so nice. And there's no one.
I was just realizing and saying to Jacqueline, like this is a whole new region of the world for me. Like everything is new, all the little spiders, snakes, reptiles, everything. Vegetation. I mean, look at this. This is totally normal here, but for me, like a giant cactus like this.
It's so big. Up there is where we were swimming earlier, so we've made our way all the way down to the bottom. Wow, what a great walk. I mean, we still have to go all the way back up, which is gonna be the hard part, but coming down was really fun and easy.
Really cool. Like both sides. You
Yeah.
think we're taking this for granted, but look what's on the other side.
Serían 75.
What? I have no idea.
75.
Okay. Gracias.
Gracias. You gotta learn your numbers at least.
I have no idea. So good. We made our way back up. It was much hotter and much harder coming back up, but once you come up the top where you get dropped off, there's a bunch of restaurant stalls and drink stalls. So we grabbed ourselves a coconut, some more cold water, and we just sat down and we're gonna have some lunch here. It's not crazy overpriced.
Gracias.
Gracias. Okay, we got some quesadillas. Okay, they are literally quesadillas. There's nothing else in there. It's just cheese. We also ordered some tacos which are on the way, so we are going to demolish this food after that big hike now. Okay, we are waiting for enough people to be ready to go in the collectivo to go back to Mitla, so that we can then get another collectivo or a bus all the way back to Oaxaca. But at the moment there's like 5 of us and they fit 12, so I think we're going to be waiting quite a while. This is the only problem with going not with a tour and figuring it out on your own, is that it's quite a bit of waiting around.
And we waited an hour and we made it finally.
Finally.
And we are
There's like
13 of us plus the driver. But we didn't pay less for having more than 12. But we would have paid more for having less. Anyway, it is what it is.
Max ran to get some food.
God damn, it took 45 minutes to chop that mango. Sorry.
Taking the bus home at this time, which is good because on the way here we're gonna collectivo, on the way back we get to experience the bus, so you kind of get to know both ways. The bus is much cheaper. 20 pesos? 20 pesos each, which is half the price of the collectivo. We'll see how long it takes. On the way here it took us 40 minutes. Let's time it on the way back and we'll let you know. We're back in Oaxaca.
We made it back. The bus was actually very pleasant. I would recommend it just as much as the collectivo.
The bus was a bit slower than the collectivo by about 15 minutes, I'd say. But apart from that, super easy, super comfortable, super cheap. So collectivo, bus, honestly, just take whichever one comes first. Anyway, that is everything for today. I hope you definitely go visit Hierve El Agua when you come to Oaxaca, and hopefully this video was helpful for you. We do have another huge day planned in Oaxaca that we are going to be filming too, so if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, support our channel. We appreciate you guys so much for watching and supporting us.
Bye guys.
Bye! From Oaxaca. Oaxaca.
I do apologize for the shakiness. I've got the hiccups, so it's hard to get a clear shot. Oh my god!
I dribbled
Worth
a little.
it?